Want to change your username or password for your member portal account? Let's walk through the steps together. If you need more time, you can pause or rewind this video at any time. If you'd like to read as you follow along, you can turn on closed captions in your video viewer. Before we get started, here are 2 important things to note. First, if you are a member of both Generations Advantage and the U.S. Family Health Plan, you must have a different username and password for each portal account. Second, your account username and password do not expire, so you choose if and when you'd like to change them. Now, let's begin. Visit martinspoint.org and click Sign In or Register at the top of the page. Then select Health Plan Members from the drop-down menu. When the sign-in form appears, enter your username and then your password. Something to note is that if you ever forget your username or password, you can reset them anytime using the links below the sign-in button. Finally, click Sign In. From your account homepage, click Manage Account. On the right under Account Management, you'll see links to change username or change password. Let's start with the steps to change your username. Create your new username following the requirements shown on the right. When you've finished, click Save. Next, let's talk about changing your password. From the Account Management screen, click Change Password. Before you begin, review the requirements for your new password. It must be at least 9 characters long and include at least 3 of these items: a number, an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, or a special character. Your password cannot have spaces at the start or end, and it can't match your username or any of your last 5 passwords. Start by entering in your current password. If you'd like to see what you're typing, you can click the visibility icon to show your password. Then type in your new password following the requirements you learned above. Confirm your new password by typing it in again. When you're finished, click Save and use this password the next time you log into your account.
If you need our help, just call the number on the back of your member ID card.